Hi everybody, I am Daniela and I am the MCAD SME for SPK and Associates. Today I wanted to go over what's new in Creo 10, especially for folks who are coming from Creo 8. Let's get into it. First, we have my favorite category, ease of use and productivity. I love this category because it affects such a wide audience of users. It has such a good impact. And here you'll see improvements for part modeling tools from Hole, Pattern, Sketcher, and Surfacing. You'll also see surfacing enhancements for Warp, Freestyle, and Style, as well as enhanced multi-body capabilities for split and trim bodies. All helpful stuff. Moving on to the eCAD side of things, you will see a new cabling tree which includes better search functionality, filters, and views, as well as the ability to split and merge harnesses, and a really nice addition to easier handling of hole parameters for increased visibility of PCBs in your MCAD designs. Let's move down the list here. We have Composite Manufacturing. This is also a great field with some nice enhancements. We have the ability to include designs using composite materials, allowing for developing products with strong and lightweight products. This does include generating drape and flap patterns, simulating draping and composite structures, and designing plies and cores. Now moving on to model-based definition and detailing. Here we have a enhanced GT&T workflow for improved compliance standards, and we also have the improved easy tolerance features there as well. All great stuff. And now we're transitioning to simulation design. Lots of good additions here too. We have the ability for multi-body support in Creo Simulate. We also have enhanced streamlines and animation in Creo Flow Analysis. And we are now able to do combined structural and thermal studies through Creo Ansys Simulation Advanced. Lots to dig in here if you are on the simulation side of things. Last but not least, we do have additive and subtractive manufacturing. This is also a great category to note because they have added high-speed milling with barrel tool support and have introduced beam-based lattices for those of you in the med device industry. Really, really fascinating stuff to dig into depending on your field. As you can see here, Creo 10 has made a lot of enhancements and improvements, and you can really dig in here depending on your industry to see how Creo 10 will best work for you. For more tips, tricks, and information, please stay tuned.